Hello everyone, I am Tejinder Singh Sabharwal from IC College of Hotel Management. आज हम बात करेंगे फ्रेंच culinary टर्मिनोलॉजी के एक बेसिक बट एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट इंग्रेडिएंट के बारे में, फराइन। फ्रेंच वर्ड फराइन का सिंपल मीनिंग है फ्लावर। इन culinary terms, farine generally refers to flour made from grains or other suitable starchy ingredients depending on the type and recipe. सिंपल इंग्लिश में फराइन मतलब फ्लावर और प्रोफेशनल होटल किचन में फ्लावर एक एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट इंग्रेडिएंट है। व्हाई इज फ्लावर इंपॉर्टेंट? स्टूडेंट्स, फ्लावर सिर्फ रोटी या ब्रेड बनाने के लिए नहीं होता। इट इज यूज्ड इन ब्रेड, केक्स, पेस्ट्री, बिस्किट्स, पास्ता, sauces, batters, and many other culinary preparations. So, if you want to become a chef, you must understand flour. One of the most commonly used flours is wheat flour, which contains starch, proteins, and other components. When wheat flour is mixed with water and worked appropriately, its proteins can form gluten. Understanding gluten. When flour and water are mixed and the dough is kneaded, certain wheat proteins interact to form a gluten network. This network provides structure and elasticity to many doughs and can help trap gases produced by yeast, allowing bread to rise. So remember, when you knead bread dough, you're not simply mixing ingredients, you're developing structure. Types of flour. Different recipes require different types of flour, such as all purpose flour, bread flour, cake flour, whole wheat flour, and various specialty flours. Their protein content, milling, and other characteristics can affect the texture, volume, tenderness, and quality of the final product. That's why you cannot blindly replace one flour with another. Flour in bakery and pastry. Flour plays a major role in products like croissants, tarts, cakes, cookies, and pastry dough. The amount of liquid, mixing technique, and presence of fat all influence the final texture. Too much mixing can develop excessive gluten, making some pastry products tough instead of tender. So, proper flour selection and handling are essential culinary skills. Farine in sauce making. Students, flour is not only used for baking. In classical French cooking, flour is also used in a roux. Roux is made by cooking fat and flour together, and it can then be used to thicken certain sauces and other preparations. So remember, flour is important in both baking and sauce making. Storage of flour. Flour must be stored properly. It should be kept dry, clean, protected, and free from pests and contamination. Moisture, heat, and pests can damage flour and affect its quality. Therefore, proper storage is an important part of professional kitchen management. Message for students. Students, farine एक बेसिक इंग्रेडिएंट है, बट बेसिक डजंट मीन अनइम्पॉर्टेंट। शेफ बनने के लिए आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना होगा कौन सा फ्लावर यूज करना है, क्यों यूज करना है, कितना यूज करना है और कैसे हैंडल करना है। बिकॉज ग्रेट कुकिंग स्टार्ट्स विद अंडरस्टैंडिंग द बेसिक्स। Final message. So, my dear students, remember, farine means flour. It is one of the most important ingredients in bakery, pastry, bread making, sauce preparation, and many other areas of culinary production. Never underestimate a basic ingredient because mastering the basics is the first step towards becoming a great chef. This is Tejinder Singh Sabharwal from IC College of Hotel Management. And remember, a great chef doesn't just know the recipe. A great chef understands every ingredient in the recipe. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep experimenting, and master your basics. Thank you. Stay curious, stay precise, and keep cooking.